Thank you so much for checking in, Mr. Mitsubishi here. I'm walking a lot here and this beautiful Outlander PHEV caught my attention. Let's get the key from the showroom here and let's check out what is this all about, what kind of equipment it has. Nice silver black roof. Let's check it out. A bunch of beautiful Mitsubishi products we have here. Eclipse Cross. This one here is another PHEV, has a sold sign in it, no surprise there. This one here looks good too. And here we have Mirage. So Mirage, by the way, is the last year of Mirage in Canada. No more Mirages, that's it. So if you want to get yours, hurry in. Here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we still have good selection left, good incoming left, but not too many. Hurry in, test drive it and buy it. But today's story we have here about this silver PHEV. So let's jump in, pull it out a bit so we can see what's going on with it. Okay, let's start it up. We can already see that this is the premium interior and that already tells us a story here on what we're looking at. So we're gonna roll up like this, get out, so that way we can have a better look at what's going on. Okay, and let's get going. So of course we can determine a few things. This one is a PHEV, has this nice PHEV badge on it. It sounds like PHEV as well, and this is the GT trim level, so we can tell it quite easily by these corner effects being color painted. On the lower trim levels, even SCL, which will have same wheels, but these side corner effects are going to be plastic. These side skirts are going to be plastic. On this one, it's body colored painted, and of course once we were in the vehicle, we could see that this one here has the premium upgraded interior, and that's how it looks with this nice orange stitching, black hood liner. And definitely one of the things we want to do in a gloomy day like this, we want to open up this cover so that way entire panoramic sunroof opens up and gives us this extra sunlight, or not sunlight, just the light. So there's no sunlight today. From the second row, we have a very nice view here. We can see the entire panel, and this is where this panoramic sunroof really shines as well. So heated seats in the back. We have these privacy screens right here, extra privacy, or blocks the sun. Whatever the application you want, it's there for you. This PHEV is also special because it has the black roof option, so we can see how nice the black roof looks, and it's complemented with this black side molding that says PHEV. So side moldings, we go two ways. Either we do the PHEV or we put the one that says Outlander. So both of these side moldings you can find on my accessory shop. It's mrmitsubishi.ca. You can buy them, I'll ship them for free, so that's where you can find them. Together with that, it looks really cool. And also, of course, this hood emblem right here as well. So hood emblem looks really cool with this grille, and on the GT trim level, the grille is this piano gloss grille together with chrome. Very good looking. And of course, if we look at the front, the thing I really like about this silver color is it's a free color from Mitsubishi, so you don't pay extra like you would on black, white, red, any other color. So silver is a free color, and this silver blends really nicely from the front with all the chrome. So this dynamic shield right here blends in nicely. It's chrome, but it doesn't stand out too much. Same thing, the lower silver bumper part right here, it just blends in nicely. These lines across the grille, the Mitsubishi logo, the black hood emblem. Visually, it just makes sense. It looks good. And as we move to the side, again, these corner effects are all body colored painted, and we have nice two-tone machine aluminum wheels, side moldings, tinted windows, black roof, and these roof rails are silver. I like that they're silver because again, it sort of like finishes the entire contrast. And then the back, same thing here. Corner effects are body color painted, and this lower bumper part on the GTs, it's actually the same on SC and above trim levels, but with the silver, it just blends in nicely. It doesn't contrast too much, and that makes this silver a very nice and popular color with our customers. So this one here, nice chrome right here around the windows. We like that. Quite a few people want those vent visors as well. So you know, that's also a good thing that complements the overall looks for the vehicle. So The range wise, so it's rated for 60 kilometers in Canada here, and you know, you can squeeze a lot more than that. So I personally used some did some tests in summertime, AC off, super, you know, mindful driving, trying to achieve as much of a range as possible, and I got it was just over 90 kilometers on an EV. So if you want to leave a comment, what's your EV range? In the winter time, it's a little bit more challenging because the exterior could be cold, the battery could be cold, and the vehicle might use a little bit more gas, and then your range is not as great as in the summertime. But summertime is definitely where, you know, it's super fun to get these extended ranges out of your one charge. So good thing about the GTP, you have the massage seats right here. This button activates the massage seats, and then the screen comes on here, and you can adjust it, you know, whatever you want to do from driver and passenger. We have a three, maybe I'll show it a little bit closer here. You have you know, for refreshing, relaxing, and lumbar massage, and then you can also change the intensity for the driver and the passenger. Massage seats is a very cool option. I like how they work. I always find it very relaxing to you know, get your back massaged while you drive by the vehicle. It's really, really cool. I like it. That's a big feature. And if somebody can't decide between trim levels, or sometimes, you know, people say, hey, should I go gas or PHEV? I say go with PHEV, get the massage seats, and you'll absolutely love them. Has the MyPilot as well, so that's the drive assist. I've made a good video on this channel. It's MyPilot. You can search that video and you'll see it. It shows exactly how the MyPilot works, exactly what you need to press and how it works. Good video, check it out. This one also has heated steering wheel. We are still in the winter season, so things like heated seats, heated steering wheel, you still appreciate them, even though we got to think about, you know, spring, summertime, but that might be a little too early in some certain regions, so we don't want to rush into that part yet. So it is a 7-seater. I want to show you how to open the trunk. So it has this kick motion, so you do the kick motion, and that's how the door opens up if you have the key with you. Where's my key? I don't think I have the key with me, so let's see. Okay, yeah, that's why it didn't work. So here's the key. Of course it won't work, so I just showcased you one way how it won't work. So do the kick motion, opens up the tailgate, and then we have, boom, this is the 7 seats. This is how it looks. We can fold these down, we can, you know, adjust the back. It's kind of hard with one hand. So this is my favorite way how we actually you know, drive around. And what you can see is if these mats are installed in the vehicle, you have a lot of good space. This is the charging cable. Mitsubishi does give you the charger with it, so there's a lot of manufacturers that won't give the charger with your vehicle anymore. Mitsubishi is not one of them. They're happy to do, you know, to give you the chargers for now. I don't know if they'll do that forever, but we'll see that then. So what I like about this, so you have this kind of little small compartment for your day-to-day things, your gym bags, grocery bags and whatnot, and you can use them, these like hooks here right now as well. So you can hook them up like this, and then you can sort of leave them there so they don't wobble all over the place like they would do in a bigger trunk. Because for people who had like bigger SUVs or bigger vehicles, if you have lots of trunk space but you don't have these small compartments, a lot of the times your stuff just slides all over the place. Not a great thing to be you know, to be doing. But if you have these small compartments, the hooks, like that is where it works really, really well. For those who are interested, you can also adjust the tailgate height, so you can set it pretty much whatever the height you want, and then you set it like this by pressing and holding the open and close button. It beeps, and then you set it like that. Sometimes some homes have, like, you know, smaller, like lower ceilings, or maybe if you're underground garages, there's like some other stuff that would restrict it, or maybe you just don't want to reach it that high. This is what you need. So whatever the height you want, you can actually set it up like that. Right now is the top position, and notice how fast it's closing. So let's try it out. It goes down quite fast. It's one of the fastest trunk closes in the automotive market at the moment. I've compared this against Toyota RAV4. Toyota RAV4, and you know, the Outlander goes a lot higher, faster. So you can search that video as well on my channel. I've showed it like on Toyota. It was actually somewhat annoyingly long, so I didn't like that at all. But Mitsubishi has figured it out and they do it quite well. I really like this premium upgraded seats. You know, you get the massage, you get the nice controls like any other you know, Mitsubishi Outlander. And let's check it out. You have this LED light strip as well that you can see it at nighttime. So really good looking interior. I like it a lot, and the massage seats is definitely one of my favorite options of all time. This one here has head-up display as well, so it can reflect the speed and whatnot. So it's right here, you can see it. And if you use it together with TomTom navigation that you have it in here, it'll display, show you the street names and street signs and speed and like where to turn, where not to turn. Very good system, especially if you use it like with that. Of course, if you want to use it with your phone, you also have Apple CarPlay, which is wireless, and then you have Android Auto, which you need to connect your phone with, and lots of ways to utilize this screen. Of course, you do have a backup camera and front parking sensors as well. Let's try to drive a little bit closer there to that car. Okay, there we go. Even at that angle, see how it picked up? Turned on the camera right away, and the sensors are there. So very safe, because you have the beeping going on, you have the screens going on, and you also have right here indicating, right, the closer you're gonna go, then this one's gonna turn you know, red, just to notify you. And once you reverse, same thing. You have 360 bird's eye view. You have backup sensors as well. In many ways, you are very protected in this vehicle, and when you drive, you know, Mitsubishi has got your back. Okay, there we go. We just checked out this beautiful vehicle that caught my attention. And again, it is a 2025 Outlander PHEV GT premium interior, and GT exterior. Looks really cool, especially with the silver. I like it a lot. It was a great vehicle. Thank you so much for checking out this vehicle today with me. I'm gonna go put the keys back, and I'm sure we're gonna sell it. If not today, then probably tomorrow. So thank you so much again for checking out this video, and see you next time around.